Today's tip, freedom fries. Quick, what is half of 3 5/8 of an inch? Well, if you said 1 13/16 of an inch, bully for you. You know, there's only a couple of countries in the entire world that still use this system of measurement. I'm going to recommend that you use millimeters to measure your birds. It is a heck of a lot easier to do math. So, half of 3 5/8, well, what about half of 92? Because 92 millimeters is the same as 3 5/8 of an inch. It's a lot easier to divide 92 in half and say 46 than it is to do the fractional math and say, let's see, half of 5/8 is 5/16. Now I have to add 5/16 to 1 1/2, which is half of 3. Well, you get the picture. Listen, Canada might be taking over the bird carving world. They might be taking over the United States. And you know, what about those Europeans? What about Pepe Le Pew and his freedom fries? Well, just measure your stuff in millimeters. Save yourself a huge headache.